many of you love seeing something for the first time, especially here in the US? Yeah, I'm pointing at myself. I'm the first one with my hand up. I love new technology. I got Nick. This Escomatic, the first time it's ever been filmed here in the US. Let's talk about what this technology can do for your friends.
It can revolutionize your way of producing small parts. It can change it. You can see this is the complete package of the production machine with the coil feed. This is the floor space. And the amount of ROI per square foot this machine can offer, if you make small parts, precise components on a Swiss machine, you need to look and see if it can be made on an Esco machine. Because I guarantee it's going to be as fast, if not faster, and you get that economy of the coil-fed technology.
And we are done, my friends, because I think that is a mic drop moment only. I told Nick beforehand, don't break my microphones. However, if you're looking to make good money, give these guys ProTech a call. Small parts can really be efficient, effective, productive, and financially responsible. Plus, when we're all fighting for real estate, you have this small footprint that's going to help you do those things. So thank you all for watching. Nick, my friend, That is a mic drop moment. Do not break my microphone. Thank you all for watching.